Once you've completed your project in Premiere, you're ready to export it so we can upload it to YouTube and you can share it with me in your Quest and you can share it with the world. So if you go up to File and if you go down to Export, it's going to be highlighted as media. Now if this isn't highlighted here, it means that you haven't selected the box that has your working copy. So make sure that you can have either one of these two windows selected, and if it'll be highlighted. If you have this one selected and you go down, you're going to see that it's not an option. So coming down to your timeline, have your timeline highlighted in blue, and you can go down to Export and go to Media. Once the media window opens up, if we go over on the side here, there's several different formats that you can export it in. Most likely it will be defaulted to H.264, so just make sure H.264 is selected. Down below we have to make sure that the video and the audio are checked off. This is where you're going to put your title. So if you click on this spot, that's where you can put in your title. So if you're doing this for, say this was going to be for your first project, which is your sequence, you can put in sequence. Make sure that you go to your correct folder, so go to your data part. This is the audio video module, so if you have an audio video folder, that would be great. And in here I'll go to the sequence folder. So it's going to get saved in a spot that's very predictable and very easy to find. Down at the bottom here, this is your timeline. It shows your video, and this should be set so it goes right to the very start of your video and right to the very end. If you had that shortened, it would only take a particular part of your video and render it, so you wouldn't get the full video. So make sure you have the entire video selected, and at this point everything should be in working condition. It should be good to go, so you can go ahead and click Export. When you click Export, it will start going through and creating the movie, and at that point you can go ahead and take the finished product and upload it to YouTube, and then you will share the URL from YouTube when you submit your Quest in Reasley. Alright, have fun. You're going to love this.